Welcome back to my channel. It's Mistina here, and if it's your first time on my channel, let me introduce myself. I am Mistina Kinsly and I do hair, beauty and lifestyle content. So if it's your first time on this channel, make sure to subscribe so you do not miss any more videos coming up. Now, for my girlies who already been here, thank you so much for subscribing, being here, supporting me. I appreciate every single one of you already, and you guys already knew this. So today's video is a wig install video again, guys. I promise you I'll be switching up very soon, but today it's another wig install, and I hope you guys enjoy as much as I enjoyed recording this. Now, this will not be a complete voiceover video, but just enjoy, sit back, relax, just watch it, take some tips and tricks from here, but really and truly, this is just a very relaxed video, so enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you can't came a long way. Bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord up above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down.
I told the world cause you can see it in my eyes. The other shotters in the town are praying for the lion's demise. Took the roof off the coupe, let's see the sky. They thought I'm sweet and I'm a rapper, let's sky. I told my nigga no ticks, the cats have gotta pay the price. They stab my nigga, we taking lives. I'm trying to buy you some Chanel's, what's your size, yeah. Told my plug I'll buy the bricks, what's the price, yeah. We took the wave to the masses, we felt the wave of pride. I eat that push through your zipper, I swear the rhyme is tight. Yeah, I done some wrongs, I ain't make it right. If we say we killed a nigga, then he took a flight. Arguing with bro, he said why you eat a dyke, yeah. 100k off my Nikes, all love for the white, yeah. She stay around the woody like she need a light, yeah. Looking for me in my town, bro, I'm right here.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down.
Youngers want my spot and couple olders hate me. Cause I ain't going Buddha grey, I'm young and wavy. Broke something I don't wanna ever be. If you don't spend some P, this shit you'll never see. Power of the mind, young black and bust quick with most kids. Wear handcuffs before cufflinks. 3-piece suit, I look like someone's husband. Don't let the suit fool you, I don't cufflinks. Naked white women villa with my niggas. Chatting to this chick like how much was your titties. She's staring at my Cuban jewelry, ain't a biggie. I'm glorious, notorious up in my city. Woolly in the winter cause the streets cold. But I don't roll with sheep, this hair is free goats. Ain't another trio that can test the guys. Them man, they can't even last the test of time.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down.
I know you heard the he say and the she say. Heard I keep the sweets on me like it's cheat day. Niggas in Paris, I'm outcast, feel like 3K. Double R whipping on the Champs-Elysees. Just made another milli. Big business, this ain't nothing silly. Sitting front row, got my brothers with me. And when you see a real nigga, better take a picture. Said I ain't a top boy, man, I beg to differ. Taking selfies with my air hostess. Bags checked in, still I can't.